Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. These are the wireless Bluetooth earbuds from the company KURDENE, K-U-R-D-E-N-E, maybe KURDENE, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. Now obviously these are earphones, so I'm not going to be able to give you the sound quality, but at least I can unbox it and show you what they look like when they come in. So these are the S8 earphones. They've got a couple different models. I shouldn't say earphones, I should say earbuds. Bluetooth, 5.2 Bluetooth. Let's take a look at everything we get. So Android charging cable, or I call it Android charging cable. I'm not sure if there's a better way to let you know what that model is. Got a couple different earbuds they give you in here. Let me see if I can open this. There we go. I knew these were going to fall out. But several different. There are quite a few more still in the bag. User manual. Looks like it's more of like a pamphlet. Information about charging, putting them in your ear, and then a thank you card from the company. So I mentioned charging. They will run on 6 hours on a full charge, and then the case acts as a charger as well. If you use the case, it will extend that 6 hours to 38 hours. So the case is cool, kind of similar to the Apple earbuds. It's a hard shell case. It's going to take the charge cord in the back. It's got a magnetic closure. And then the earbuds themselves. Wow, they're pretty cool. If you're not familiar with earbuds, when you're wearing these, you can simply tap on the earbuds to skip to the next song or answer calls, so on and so forth. These are IPX8 waterproof rating. And there's not really a whole lot to show you on them. Got some plastic on them. There we go. Only thing I was going to show you is there's different colors, I guess, so you can see which one's for the right ear or for the left ear. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.